Hi everyone, I'm Lorelei from Birchbox, and I'm here with Celia Ellenberg. She is the beauty director at Vogue. Hi Celia.
Hello Lorelei.
So Birchbox and Vogue are back together again to launch a new limited edition collection of products that have been curated by Celia. So Celia, tell us about the theme of this box.
So the theme of this box is actually the theme of our March issue this year, which is transformation, as it relates to everything from fashion to beauty to culture to politics to entertaining. And specifically to this box, products that either transform your skin or transform how you feel when you put them on.
I love it. And there's some really, really amazing transformative products in here. So let's dive right in. We've got the product card here that will tell you everything that's inside. I want to start with a couple of skincare products in here. The first one is Huxley's Secret of Sahara Grab Water Essence. And then we also have the Babor Perfect Glow Ampules. So what is an essence and an ampule, and how should we be using these products?
Well, think of them sort of like serums. So they're a moisturizing step. You know, if it's very warm out or you're very hydrated, you can actually wear them on their own. If you're feeling a little bit more dry, you can layer them either together or with extra moisturizer. So the Huxley product, for example, is really interesting. So it has a Sahara cactus seed oil in it. So it penetrates and really hydrates right when you put it on, but it doesn't have a greasy feel. And then the ampules, they're individually sized, so they're really easy to travel with, and they're single dose. And you kind of just break it open, you put it into your hands, and you kind of just, you know, tap it onto your skin. And they have this amazing just plumping effect when you put it on.
All right, there's one more skincare product in here, and this is a mask. It's from a very buzzy new brand, Saturday Skin. So what makes this mask so transformative?
It has some really powerful ingredients in it. So there's licorice root and there's bilberry extract, and these will sort of they'll brighten dark spots and just generally brighten your skin. What I really like about this mask though is that it's a biocellulose mask. So it really fits very tightly when you put it on. So you're not getting a lot of the drip and the discomfort that you might get when you're using just a pure cotton sheet mask. It stays on, it really penetrates, and you really see results right after you take it off.
So we've got one more mask in here, but it's actually a hair mask. This is from Briogeo, their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Cap System. It's a mask like none I have ever seen before. What do you love about this product?
I mean, this product is really transformative. So, you know, wearing a shower cap at all when you're in the shower, you're trapping heat and you're getting that penetration of product into your hair. What this does is interesting. It's a two-part system. So you're putting in a very reparative, thick conditioning mask on your hair first, and then you're adding the shower cap. In the actual fabric are these micro-encapsulated oil beads. It's argan, it's avocado, really, really nurturing ingredients. And what happens is when you put the cap on, these ingredients penetrate into your hair. So when you wash everything out and you come out of the shower, you've gotten this really deep conditioning treatment.
Let's talk about makeup. We've got 3 amazing makeup products in here that are all very transformative in different ways. And the first one is transformative to your skin. It's Milk Makeup's Blur Stick. I personally love Milk, and I feel like they've come out with some really, really innovative products in the last few years. But what is a blur stick?
Basically, think of it sort of like a face filter IRL. So you put it on and it manages to completely diffuse pores, blemishes, anything on your face. And it's really lightweight, which is nice. So you can wear it on its own. It's totally oil-free. And it has no silicones in it, so you don't feel that weight of some other primers when you put it on.
All right, next up, this is from YSL Beauty. It's their Mascara Vinyl Couture. But what makes this different from any other mascara that you're using?
So I really love the Vinyl Couture line. They've done a number of really bold, bright colors for their mascaras. But what's cool about this one, so it's a sort of a sheer black base with all of these beautiful glitter flecks in it. And it's very subtle. So you put it on, you can wear it as a top coat. So if you put on your favorite black mascara to kind of get the depth, and then you add these sparkles to just the tips or full length, or you can wear it on its own, which is really cool. Secret tip, you can also put it through your brows.
Last but not least in the box is a true cult classic product. I'm wearing it right now. It's the MAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. What has made this color so classic and still so relevant today?
I think what makes it so iconic, it's this perfect blue-red shade that goes well with so many different skin tones. It has this amazing matte finish. And there's something really cool about this lipstick itself. During the Women's March last year in DC, I couldn't help but notice that, in addition to all of the pink hats in the crowd, there was a lot of red lipstick. And I learned later on that a number of the organizers of the march were all wearing Ruby Woo, which I just love because it's both, it's transforming, but it's also very empowering. So absolutely. I just find it very relevant and still such a classic all these years later.
All right, that's everything inside the limited edition Birchbox and Vogue Transformation Box. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, Celia, for being here.
Thank you for having me.
You can get the box on birchbox.com right now, and we can't wait to hear what you think. Bye.